The Strange Sound in FairyTail Origin, Season 4, Episode 23.
Oh, hello there, Mario.
Hey, Zaro?
If the strange sound is someone farted, I swear to God.
What are you doing here?
Looking for
he's with me. He's
one of the
joining me.
guild leaders.
You're, I don't know where Richie is, but Brandon is upstairs. I came here
What
just
the
to relax.
commotion was.
Oh, okay.
Hey,
Hello,
Mr. Brandon, hello.
Hello.
I'm done with that SS class mission of yours.
And I'm down with Turtledar.
Total
What?
Her what?
I don't know his name. Turman. He's up in your office again.
Shift him.
Stop it. Stop sending those people there.
Him. Does not belong in my office.
So we're gonna stab the dude? Okay.
Creatures.
Why do you people even keep putting them in my room specifically? We have a closet, for fuck's sake.
I'll take care of it.
Okay, I don't know what shift means.
Get rid.
Oh,
not
I don't
belong
ki-
in
I
my
don't kill-
office.
I don't kill people. He's a nice guy. He's just there. Cuffed.
I don't think
As
he
always.
wants you to kill him, he just wants you to make him leave.
Well, you can do that, Mario.
Not my issue, not my problem. Not the one that dragged
Exactly.
him onto the island.
I didn't drag him. He was in a crystal.
Does he even listen
Anyhow.
to himself?
No.
No, he doesn't. But it doesn't matter. Anyhow, I'm done with that SS clash mission. It was quite a difficult one. Those 500 wizards were quite powerful.
500.
Yeah, they were B class
Good to know.
strength.
And
They,
then they're disposed of.
Yes, all of them.
Good.
There, nothing left.
That is
Anyhow,
what I like to hear.
I'm here today to go on a mission with the Squirt on an A class.
Rude!
That's me.
So you admit you're the squirt. Okay, then I guess it's not rude after all.
Yeah.
You're taking him on an A-class mission.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah,
Well, it's nice of you to,
Just
since he's getting an
straight
A-class
forward,
mission, I guess
you
he's
know,
accepting
I'm not
squirts.
I'm not really happy with what happened in the Grand Magic Games with him.
I
after
wonder
the training,
why.
And he disappointed quite a lot. So
You're very disappointing.
I want to bring him out and see what he's made of. See what his limits are.
Flesh and bones, pretty much.
Probably.
I'll be there with him, so nothing will nothing
Yeah.
too major will happen. Hopefully, if he
Sure.
dies, he dies. Nothing too much
Okay,
of a
I don't-
loss.
That's a good life philosophy. If he dies, he dies.
That is the risk of going on a quest higher than your rank.
Yep.
Now what?
Let me see.
Anyone for
Take
Denny's?
this one. This one I'll do for now. There's a Cyclops attacking a village. Apparently it's using magic and it's all great and powerful apparently, so...
Oh, that's perfect.
Cyclops.
Might be one of those chieftains or something.
Probably.
Does he have one eye?
Yes, that's what a Cyclops is.
Does he have a horn?
Probably.
Is he a Viking?
No.
How do you get
Vikings
a Viking
doesn't throw
from that?
horns.
Because he has a horn. He has 2 horns right there. There's 3 horns in total.
Just get him out
You
of those
idiots.
horns before
Yeah.
he causes more headaches.
You want
What
to
do you
take him
mean?
with
Not scientifically possible.
Comprehend.
No. I already
No.
had to train one of the newbies. I don't have to train the second one.
I'm no longer a noob. I'm the same rank as you, Mario. Pebble brain.
Because yours was given out of pity.
What do you mean pity? I beat a guy. Oh,
No, you didn't. You lost.
I didn't. I kind of lost.
In Viking terms, that's a lose. If you don't win, you lose.
I can jump better than you, though. So take that.
I can move the literal earth below you.
Do it.
Not in the guild hall.
No.
Okay. Okay. Oh god. Okay. This doesn't. Okay. I don't like this. Can you please let me down now?
Shouldn't have bluffed.
Okay.
Called my
That
bluff.
was- They give me a heart attack. Okay. God.
Squirt. One thing you need to learn is do not underestimate anyone.
Who am I underestimating? He's not underestimating him. Just want to see Earth being moved underneath my feet, and yeah. Can you do that, Mr. Brandon? Can you move Earth?
Why do I
No,
need to
that-
move the earth?
No, you can
That's
fling you
the-
around though.
That's not his specialty magic. Do you?
Doesn't.
Wait,
special
wait,
thing?
wait. Were you even watching his fight at all?
Clearly
No, I
not.
was on toilet.
Why doesn't that surprise me?
No.
I really, you know, I couldn't hold it anymore. I watched your fight,
and you-
unfortunately.
Yeah, where I actually used strategy to beat my opponent.
Strategy, he passed out.
Yes,
Like, you
because I
messed
wore
up.
him out.
You didn't wear anything out. He just couldn't walk normally. He can't hold the same amount of beer as boss can.
Well, that is true, but he used a good strategy to take care of a drunk man. That he did.
Mm-hmm.
His whole thing was strength, not stamina. So I basically just created dragon scale armor to basically hold out. It's a simple strategy, but it works against opponents like him.
Dragon
Yeah,
scale.
he fell
Do
right
I have
for it.
dragon scale armor?
Do
No.
not.
What are
No,
you?
that's. I'm a
I'm a
dragon
dragon-eating
slayer.
wizard. I'm a dragon eater. So now what?
A self-proclaimed
dragon eater.
dragon eater.
Well, one day I'll eat one, and then I'll truly be a dragon eater. But for now, I'm just.
That's not how that
Never
works.
Eat a dragon, especially when I know. I will
You
bury
know
you,
dragons?
filthy-
I didn't see. Dragons are extinct.
Yeah,
are
they're
you
not
talking
even
about?
alive anymore. So it
Earth-
shouldn't matter.
They're not extinct. Earth
I'm
is
just
a-
waiting. I'll just wait for you to turn into a dragon so I can eat you. Okay?
I'm not gonna turn into. That's not how.
How do you
dragons are.
function?
Rachel. So Rachel said otherwise. So I don't know.
Uh-huh.
Lord save me with this one.
Well,
I think he's
anyhow.
going crazy.
Yeah. we're
Staying
just-
crazy.
for,
Obviously, you don't know nothing about yourself. Goodbye, Mr.
Yeah.
Brandon. Pale
I'll
brain.
talk to you guys later.
Yes, have fun on the mission.
I'll
really-
try my best.
God,
You really
pale
made
brain
my
annoys me
rank?
so much.
My
I regret
brain-
my decisions. Don't worry.
I'm going for a flying lesson. Have fun.
Yeah.
Flying lesson, as in fly me the fuck out of here.
Decent spot around here. Let's go. I don't know. Good place to be. I know. What about over here? It's rather peculiar. Oh, okay. Sound of the water. Great place to do a little bit of training. Oh, because why not? I wonder. Nature, it's a great place.
Got a great guitar bit.
I wonder. Let's see. What do I want to train?
Train against this cow. What?
I could meditate. It's not particularly something I want to do today. Maybe at a later date. Hi there, cow.
Moo. That cow just squawked like an eagle.
Yes, have a bath. Let's have a
Seeing overpowered things kill tiny little insects and bury them is never not hysterical.
there.
Hmm?
What's that sound?
What is that sound?
There it was again. What is that?
That lamp thing, maybe?
Maybe. There it was again. What is that sound?
Go to where the sound is coming from. That sheep, maybe?
Let's see. Can I pinpoint its location? Huh. Where did it go? I can't sense anything. But I definitely heard something. Unless it isn't... No, it couldn't possibly be. Maybe I should go to speak to Michael about it. Yeah, I think I'm going to speak to Michael. That was a really strange encounter. It's scratcher training for the day. Let's go find the man.
I heard a weird sound. Let's go tell everyone about it. Hearing a sound like that in the forest just sounds like the beginning of a creepypasta. I think it's just about everything in the forest sounds like a creepypasta. Because I'm a park ranger who's sick of park ranger stories. They're becoming self-aware, damn it!